Hello everybody, KC from Dock BC. Guys, I'm back at the Prince Creek Marina in Vancouver. Well, we've got a pretty nice day here today. We've got cloudy skies, the sun's trying to pop out. We're sitting here at 20 degrees Celsius and we're going to be going for a high of 24 degrees Celsius. We got a little bit more than a ripple out there on the water, so it's still going to be a nice smooth ride out to the fishing hole. We're back for another summer floating boat video day today. Today is Saturday, August 17th, 2024. I popped the camera out the window at 9 a.m. and I'll be hanging around here till about 1 p.m. It's going to be a busy day today, I can tell already. Before I even got the camera set up, I had 6 boats float on by. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. You know, today being Saturday, you're going to have a lot of the weekend warriors heading out there to catch that big old salmon. Well, you guys, kick back in your lazy boy and enjoy all the boats floating on by.
Sailing for many years, tried to find you and face my fears. Yes, I've been dreaming far away for that sunrise by the bay, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea, I'm alright. By the sea, I'm alive. I've been wondering, where'd you go? Tried to find you on the road. I crossed the waters and left my home. I looked all over for my love, but by the sea
was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down, blow me bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore, and down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore to take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. The line was cut, no whale was freed, and the captain's mind was not on greed. But he belonged to the whalesman's creed, he took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. All boats were lost or only four, and still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call, turn for the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da
sailing for many years. Tried to find you and face my fears. Yes, I've been dreaming far away for that sunrise by the bay, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alive. I've been wondering, where'd you go? Tried to find you on the road. I crossed the waters and left my home. I looked all over for my love, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alive.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bowed it down, blow me bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore to take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and caught her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. The line was cut, no whale was freed, and the captain's mind was not on greed. But he belonged to the whales and his greed, he took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tanning is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Stars are gray, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call, turn for the captain, crew and all. Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Well, everybody, thanks for kicking back in the Lazy Boy with me on a Saturday, watching all these boats float on by. Have a great day. Yeah, hey you guys, thanks for coming to Dog PC and watching my videos. I hope you come back and watch another one. Have a great day, everybody.